Hello everyone. So in the previous video I have solved few of the questions from general paper KSET exam that was conducted on 24th November 2024. So here I am going to solve all the questions of general paper for the KSET exam, which is common for all subjects. The exam that has been conducted for different subjects. So here questions will be 50 and each carrying 2 marks, so total 100 marks. So let us solve here all the questions of JK paper. So question paper is both in Kannada and English. So here is the first question. National Institutional Ranking Framework assesses higher education institutions based on various parameters including their history and age of establishment, student enrollment numbers, their teaching, research and outreach performance, their annual revenue and profit. So basically NIRF assesses their teaching, research and outcome performance in higher education institutions. So option 3 is correct here. Next question, match the following. Knowledge Commission. It is related to that is emphasized vocational education and skill development. Ashpal committee, it is related to option 3, one apex body to cover functions of all the professional bodies. Subramanian committee is related to option this fourth one, recommended creation of universities. NIRF, as in the first question we have discussed, it is related to the first option, transparent and objective ranking system for higher education. So if you observe these matching these followings, option 2 is correct. A2, B3, C4 and D1. Which of the following is not included under sustainable development goals? Actually, if you carefully observe, sustainable development includes many of the points like gender, technology, social media, environment, economic. But most of the common are first one, third one, and economic. But however, we can in these given options, this second option may not be sufficient. So I guess this one may be the correct one, and these all answers what I am analyzing are maximum are the all are correct. So we have to wait for the final answer key. Okay, the first open university established in India is actually this university. If you take among all the four, IJ, NOU, and VMOU are established after this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University, Hyderabad, which was established in the year 1982. Earlier it was called as Andhra Pradesh Open University. Then after it is named as BRAOU. So option 1 is correct. National Board of Accreditation is connected with the accreditation of distance education institutions providing technical education, professional education institutions, technical program offered by an institution. So fourth option is correct. This one and this one looks same, but fourth, the technical program offered by an institution. Learning objectives in context of classroom means academic achievement, intended learning outcomes, learning experience to be provided, activities to be performed by learner. If you Carefully observe the option 3, learning experience to be provided. Next question, right sequence of cognitive development according to Piaget is formal operational stage, concrete operational stage, sensory motor stage, preparational stage. So here the first one is, this one is the first sensory motor stage. Second one is fourth one, preparation stage. Third one is concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage is the fourth one. So this is the order we can arrange it. So option 3 is correct. 3, 4, 2, 1. Which of the following are the characteristics of Swayam portal? Promoting high quality education only at school level, which is not correct here. And improving access to high quality education, this one is correct. And group DTH channels for promoting higher education, this one is also correct. Self assessment is not possible. Okay, this one, if you take from the given option 2 and 3 are the characteristics of Swayam portal, so option 2 is correct. Next question, match the following. So here trial and error is related to A. 3, third one, practice reduces mistakes. Classical condition is fourth one, artificial stimuli is used. Operant conditioning, that is 2, reinforcement is used for learning. Learning by insight is cognitive ability are used for learning. So option fourth one, A3, B4, C2, D1. Option fourth one is correct. Provision of earning credits from optional and elective courses was introduced in higher education by which of the following? That is choice-based credit system. Okay. Match the following. Historical research is related to third one, studying the past events and examining the application of to the present. Experimental research, fourth one, variable are controlled and manipulated. Survey method is related to second one, gathers data from large number of cases at a particular time. Action research is related to first one, research finds the solution by considering his or her group as the sample. Option 3 is correct here. Which of the following is right sequence of the conducting research? Data collection, data analysis, formulating a research question, writing the literature review. First thing is to collect the data. Second is formulating the research questions. Second one. And then data analysis. Writing the literature review is the fourth one. So from given option, the sequence is fourth one is correct. 1, 3, second, fourth. Which of the following is a characteristics of longitudinal studies? Studying cross-sectional relationships, different subjects over time, studying different subjects at the same time, studying the same subjects over time. Option fourth one is correct for longitudinal studies. Same subject over time. Plagiarism in research involves Plagiarism is copying someone's ideas or the work. So from four options, if you read, first one, using others' ideas and work without proper attribution is the correct option. Which of the following is not probability sampling? If you read carefully, random, systematic, stratified, all are probability samplings. So snowball sampling is not related to probability sampling. Second option is correct. Here is the passage they have given. I am not going to read the passage. Okay, I am directly giving you the answers here. How many important causes does the author list out as responsible for the complexity of the intellectual life of 19th century? If you read carefully this passage, you will come across how many how many important causes are there. So four causes are there. Option 2 is correct. Which area of the world become more aware of Indian philosopher? Europe. Option 2 is correct here. What, according to the author, altered the social structure of 19th century? Machine production. Who began the rationalistic revolt according to the author? For this question, French philosopher is the correct option. Option 2. What does the author say about science in the 19th century? If you read carefully, the option 1 is correct. It had been the chief source of novelty. Okay, these 16 to question 20 are related to the passage. Okay, let us go for the next question. What are the elements of Aristotle model of communication? Majority is it involves speaker, subject, audience, and effect. So fourth one is correct. Sometime if you go for option 2 may also possible. So let us see. So it involves, however, speaker, subject, and audience. Okay. Next question. According to Mehrabian, the respective contributions of words and tones of voice and body language in overall communication are word, tone of voice, and language. For communication, how much percentage is involved in overall communication? 100%. So it involves 7% of words, okay, 38% of tone, voice, and body language, 55% according to Mehrabian. So option 2 is correct. So here next question. This option is reverse of the second one, but majority the option 2 is correct option. Communicative act of raising a hand in classroom is of the following type: emblem, illustrator, body manipulator, regulator. So it denotes emblem, means you are giving the signal. So option 1 is correct. Information function of mass communication is described as diffusion, publicity, surveillance, diversion. Option 3 is correct. So here we have to match the following: traditional media, electronic media, outdoor media, new media. So traditional media is related to community radio, Electronic media is related to websites. Outdoor media related to posters. New media related to video games. Option fourth one is correct. So in the following 4 or 5 rows of different figures are given. In each question a specific rule is to be followed. Determine which row of figure follows the rule mentioned in the question. Here is the rule for the given figures. Simple figures become more complex along a row. Choose the row in which the figure becomes more complex as move from one column to another. So here are the rows. If you observe from the given 4 options, first one is, if you take this is not that much complicated. If you go in this row and if you go for the option 2, if you see the number of lines here, that also you can easily distinguish. That is also not so much complicated. Okay, so if you observe carefully option 3, the number of lines from first to the second, third, fourth, it will going make for the complexity. Okay, then let us go for the fourth one. Here if you observe, it is not much complicated or more complicated than option 3. So it is also quite distinguishable. So for third one, if you see in this row, the complexity is increasing. So option 3 is correct. Number of lines, if you observe in the first one, second one and third one, they are more complex. So option 3 is the right answer. So here the big number has been given 1, 2, 3, A, 4, B. Okay. So in this number, this number is divisible by 5 and 12. Which of the following is the sum of A and B? So here is the given number. Okay. In this number, if you observe, if they must be divisible by 5 and 12, B must be either 0 or 5. Okay. That is clear. Because any number that is divisible by 5 is having the number in the at the end, that is 0 or 5. Okay, this is clear for B. What about A? Okay, if you observe from the given option, that should be divisible by both 5 and 12. If B is equal to 0 or 5, that is obviously divisible by 5. But for 12, we have to verify here from given option 5, 6, 4, 0. If you substitute here and if you verify for 12, option A is equal to 5, which is completely divisible from the given option. So here A equal to 5, B may be 0 or 5. Then if you add this A plus B, that is again equal to 5. Okay, so then option 1 is correct here, 5. So the next one, a thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 100 meters. When the policeman starts the case, want to chase, the thief also starts running. If the speed of the thief B 8 kilometer, that of the policeman 100 kilometer, how far the thief will have to run before he overtakes? So distance between the thief and policeman is 100 meter. Thief is running at the speed of 8 kilometer, okay, per hour, and policeman is running at the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Okay. If you convert this 100 meter in terms of kilometer per hour, then you will get this as, you should divide it by 1000 here. 100 by 1000, how much you will get? 1 by 10. Okay, you should divide it by 1000 kilometer. If you want to convert, 1 by 10 you will get. Then if you take the difference of the speed of the police and thief, we will get this as the 2 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then you must know the relation between distance, velocity and time. Velocity is equal to what? Distance or displacement by time. So we need to calculate t here. T is equal to, if you want to calculate, you should divide it by distance. Velocity by distance, you will get. Velocity is how much here? 1 by 10 divided by distance is how much? 8. 10 minus 8, that is 2 kilometer. So this is the required time to catch the thief. Then how far the thief will have to run, that we need to calculate here. Distance we have to calculate again, that is equal to velocity by time. Okay. So next what we have to do here, velocity of the thief is how much? 8. So this time is how much? 1 by 20. If you do it, you will get the required answer. Okay, this is 4 by 5. Option 4th one is the correct. How far the thief will have to run before he is overtaken by the police is 4 by 5 kilometer is the correct answer. Answer the following question. Next one. A, B and C can complete a piece of work 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. They will complete the same work in how many days? So A, B, C, D are completing the work in 24, 6 and 12 days. If you add all these, you will get how many days totally? 42 days. Okay, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 42. If you divide it by 3, approximately how much? How many days each has to get? 14 days. Okay, then they will complete the same work in, we have to calculate here. First what you have to do, you have to take the ratio of the days of all the 3 persons. 1 by 24 you should add it 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 12. If you take LCM, you will get here 7 by 24. Okay, so if you take the reciprocal of this one, 7 by 24, you will have 24 by 7, that you can write it as 7 divided by, here 3, you can take it 3 sevens are 21 plus 3, 24 by 7. So option 4th one is correct. So you have to take the reciprocal here, 24 by 7, and you can write it in the fraction, then you will get the option 4th. Answer the following question on the basis of the information given below. 8 persons are there, P, Q, R, S, T, U and W are divided into two groups, namely G1 and G2 of the 4 person. The following restriction hold good. P must be in the same group in which T is. Neither Q nor R can be in a group in which V is. U cannot be in a group in which both R and S are. W and U cannot be in the same group. If W and Q are in the group G1, then which of the following option is correct? So here G1 and G2 two groups are there. G1 includes Q, R, S, W. Okay, if you read the options. G2 involves T, P, V, U. Okay, from the given option, R is in the group 2. It is not. U, V, P, T are in the group 2. You can see here U, V, P, T are in the group 2. S is in the group 2. It is not in the group 2. S is in the group 1. S and T are in a group 1. No, only S is there. So option 2 is correct. U, V, P, T are in the group 2. Statements are given. Some tins are round, some cups are round. Some conclusion. Some tins are cups. Okay. All round things are either tins or cups, which is not correct. Some tins are rectangular. That is also not correct. Some cups are flat. We don't know what. From the given statement they have not mentioned. Only option 1 follows, 3, 4 follows, none of the conclusion, all the conclusion. But however, if you see some tins are cups, that is correct. So option 1 may be the answer, because none of the conclusion we can't say. Option 1 is near here to the conclusion. So right one may be the option 1, but this one may not be. From a point S, Rohan walked 30 meter to the north, then running to his right walked 30 meter. First let us take the position of Rohan as S. Okay, he walked to the north means upward 30 meter, and then he turned right and again he moved 30 meter. Again he turned right and moved 50 kilometer, and then finally he turned and moved 30 kilometer. So what is the distance? This distance we have to calculate here. Okay, this is 30. Here also 30. When he moves, walked right 30 and he again turned his right and walked 50 kilometers. This is overall 50. Okay. Here again he walked 30 kilometers. So then this distance we need to calculate here. This one. So then we have to subtract here 50 minus here is the difference. This is total 50 kilometer and here they have given the 30 kilometer. 50 minus 30 how much? 20 kilometers. So this is the 20 kilometer. So he is moving to the upward is north, so downward if you take this is south. So option 2 is correct, 20 meters to the south. Next one, the annual requirements of blood in our country is 6 million units, where as the generation is only 3.6 million units per annum at present. Course of action. So the first option is blood donation should be attracted by telling them how the act of donating blood would improve their health. This is also correct. Blood donors should be attracted by providing them monetary incentives. Okay. More and more private blood banks should be encouraged. Here all are actually correct, all the options. We can't say only 2 and 3 are correct, but our first one is also given to the priority of health. So fourth one, all the three follow. 1 and 2 obviously they are correct, but first one also included. The ratio of the ages of father and son at present is 9:5. After 4 years, the ratio will be 3:1. What is the sum of the present ages of the father and son? So, father and son age, if you take, let us take father age as A and B. That is 19:5. After 4 years, if you take A plus B, A plus 4 by B plus 4 is equal to 3:1. So if you equate these two, let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. If you equate these two equations, if you will find the value of A father age and B son age. Okay. So you will get after simplification, that is the father age, you will get about 38 and son age, that is B equal to 10. Son age 10. If you add these two, 38 plus 10, you will get the option 2, 48 is correct. So first you need to simplify these two equations. You will get the value of father and son age. 38 father age, son age 10. If you add, you will get 48. Sum of the ages of father and son. So option 2 is correct. Here some signs used in mathematics are replaced by different symbols as follows. This greater than less than stands for division. This below mark stands for multiplication. Greater than stands for addition, and the caption stands for subtraction. Plus stands for equal. again this greater than stands for greater than and less stands for less than. So here we have to choose the correct answer. This one is addition, this symbol, and we must verify here the LHS and RHS that must be equal. From which option you may get that you need to verify here. Okay, this is if you take from all the four options, first one if you take, you will get the required answer. Here 8, according to the given symbol, this stands for plus sign, addition. So 8 plus 2, this below symbol stands for subtraction, minus 6. Okay, plus is equal is what equal to, and 5, this stands for multiplication, 5 by 2, and here this symbol stands for subtraction, minus 6. Okay, 5 by 2 minus 6, how much you will get? 12. 12 option here first one is correct actually. 5 into 2, that is 10 minus 6 is 4, and here also 4. Option 1 is correct. Expand QR code, quick reply code, quick response code, quick retrace code, quick reaction code. Quick response code is correct. Total number of students in school is 3600, and the percentage of students enrolled in different hobby classes in the school as follows: singing, cooking, drama, stitching, dancing, and painting are the options. So here we are only concentrating on students enrolled in stitching and drama. Stitching, how much? Here 11%, and drama 30%. So 11% of the total number of students 3600. If you take, you will get about 396 students. Okay, and drama 13%, 13 by 100 into 3600. If you do, you will get the total number of students 468. Okay, if we add these number of students for stitching and drama, you will get total number of students, that is 864. Next, option 3 is correct here. In tossing an unbalanced coin, the probability of getting a head is 2 times probability of getting tail. Then which of the following is true? So probability of getting head is 2 times then the probability of getting tail. Okay, then let us take this as 1x. Let us take probability of getting head or tail as x. So here probability of getting tail is x. It is twice for head, so 2x. Then the total probability is equal to always 1. So that is head plus tail is equal to 1 probability. If we observe here, x plus 2x is equal to what? 1. Then x equal to 3 by x equal to 1 by 3, and if you take that is head is 2 times the probability of tail, so 2x equal to head is equal to what? 2 by 3. Then option 4th one is correct here. Next question, immediate inference. A is a clerk, B is graduates, C is government employees. Some graduates are government employees but not clerks. Which is that option? So A is clerk, B is graduates, okay. C is government employees. So we are not bothered about this section A, set A, clerks. Only we are bothered about the graduates and government employees. If you take H is belonging to all, that is what both clerk, graduates and government employees. So here we are only considering graduates and government employees. So F, if you take this, F is belongs to both G and graduates and government employees. So from the given option 2 is correct. F. Total number of students in school is this one I have solved. Next question. A and B are brothers. C is sister of A and D. D is the sister of E. E is the daughter of B. Then who is the uncle of D? A and B are brothers. Okay. C is the sister of A. Then D is the sister of E. E is the daughter of B. Daughter of B is E. Then D is the sister of E. D is the sister of E. Here what is the relation between D and A? Okay. Here A and B are brothers. E is the daughter of B and D is the sister of E. Then these are what the children of B. So children of B to A, where A and B are brothers. So children of B to A are related as uncle. Then D is related to A as uncle. So option 1 is correct. Choose the incorrect statement with respect to email. Can send only text documents through email. Email is faster than snail mail. Email is a method of exchanging digital messages over a network. Users communicating through email need not be available at the same time. So incorrect option is first one, because can send only text documents through email. With the help of email you can send video, audio or any kind of files not more than 25 GB. So here option 1 is incorrect. You can remove that. Match the following web pages. So web page is related to third one, that is HTTP. Usually we use in everyday Google Chrome, that is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Then video call is related to option 1, VoIP, that is voice over internet protocol. Video conference is related to option 4, UDP, that is user datagram protocol. Messaging is related to option 2, that is MMS, multimedia messaging service, MMS. Then from given option, fourth one is correct, A3, B1, C4, D2. Which initiative of the Government of India provides 24 into 7 satellite TV channel? Shodh Ganga, Swayam Prabha, Shodh Sindhu. So option 3, Swayam Prabha is the correct option. Which of the server redirects to websites? Cloud proxy server, DHCP server, FTP. So DHCP, FTP are not recommended. So proxy also may not be. So first one, cloud server. This is not actually correct. Cloud server redirects the websites. Which initiative of Government of India facilitate academic institutions to store and publish their awards, certificates and degrees? Central Depository Service Limited, Consortium for Educational Communication, National Security Depository Limited, or National Academic Depository. Option 4 one is correct. BOD test is made for measuring which of the following pollution? That is, BOD stands for biochemical oxygen demand. How much oxygen is required to break the organic matter in water? So BOD is related to water pollution. Second one is correct. Which of the following statements are correct? In many aquatic systems, pyramid of biomass may assume upright. Energy pyramid concept helps to explain the phenomena of biological magnification. So first option, if you take in many aquatic system, pyramid of biomass may assume upright. So that is quite correct. Energy pyramid concept helps to explain phenomena of biological magnification, which is not correct. So here option 1 we can say the correct option. Which of the following are the reasons or factors for exposure to benzene pollution? Automobile exhaust, tobacco smoke, wood burning, using vanished wooden furniture, using products made from polyurethane. Select the correct one. Benzene pollution they are asking. So tobacco and wood burning may be the correct choices. Automobile exhaust may not be. For A, D, E are not related to benzene pollution. So tobacco, wood burning. So option 1 may be the right option. Match the following and choose the correct answer. Montreal Protocol Paris Agreement, Climate Action, Kyoto Protocol. First one is for the third one, phasing out zone depleting substances. Montreal Protocol. Paris, that is fourth one, intended nationally determined contributors. Climate action, integrated water resource management. Kyoto Protocol, second one, emissions trading. Fourth option is correct. Which of the following pairs are not correct? Sewage, oxygen damaging waste, agriculture, fertilizers, plant nutrition, land erosion, radioactivity material decay, power plants, thermal pollution. Sewage is related to oxygen, agriculture is related to plant, land is not the correct option. Radioactivity material decay, power plants, thermal pollution. So option 3 is not the correct pair. Option 3 is correct option. So here I have solved all the GK questions for the KSET 2024 exam. I hope this information is very helpful for the students, those who have attended the KSET 24th November 2024 exam. So they can verify the answers that I have explained in this video. So for more information, so you can go to the playlist. You will get the information related to the core subject physical science as well as the GK paper. So thank you for watching, and please do